Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, you are going to see a complete transformation. So please make sure to stick around to the end to see the end result. So you can see here, we are in a property that has carpet. This is a very light carpet, and we are removing it all in one piece here because we are donating it. It's in very good condition. They've done a really good job of taking care of it, and so we're going to make sure that it has a new home. But these particular homeowners are excited to get some vinyl plank flooring, especially because it is on the walkway between their front door and their back door, and they have lots of guests that they want to take right out to that back patio without taking their shoes off. So vinyl plank flooring is amazing in that it is waterproof and so much easier to clean. So we're going ahead and removing the under pad here, getting it taken out in strips so it'll be easy to dispose of. And then we're going to go ahead and remove all the little nails that were holding it down. This floor scraper tool is absolutely phenomenal for this, as well as the tack strips. If you want to know how to do each of these little bits of the process, please hit that subscribe button and check out our channel. We do have how-to videos on all of the different steps along the way, whether it's prepping your floor or doing the installation. On this particular job, we did start in this narrow hallway. Generally, you are going to start along one of your longest walls, but on this one, we actually technically wanted to start on the long walkway from the front door to the back door. And so what we did is in preparation for this, we laid that out and cut these ones. So we know that these are going to line up to allow us to run this long stretch right here. So this was a bit of a tricky installation. And again, we have a full explanation of why we did it that way. But you can see now that we are getting going, we have these nice long stretches that we're going, and the boards are going long ways with the way the light is going. You will see here there's lots of footprints on that vinyl. When you do choose a darker vinyl, you do see that stuff a little bit more. But obviously we are in a work zone. We're in and outside. We have our shoes on. So once it's cleaned up, that will go away. This vinyl plank flooring is a 7mm vinyl. When you're choosing your vinyl, it is really important that you get the right type of vinyl and the right thickness. Again, we have a video with all of that information online to help you make that choice and the laying pattern of how you're going to get it put down. This customer had a bunch of different colors in their home, including some real wood furniture, and they did an absolute phenomenal job in picking a vinyl that was going to both complement but not overly match those pieces. And the best way to do that is to be bringing the vinyl into your home. We were able to get them a bunch of samples, lay it down in their home, see it in all the different light, because morning light and afternoon light, sunny day and raining day, it's all going to look different. So we are finally to this far wall, and we are getting this thin one put into place. This tool that we use is our absolute favorite. Again, we have an instructional video on it that you can check out. We also have a nosing to put into place. Here at Step Up, we are one of the only providers of custom made stair nosings, which means we take the flat vinyl plank flooring and we bend it into these pieces here that will go onto the stairs and around. And so a lot of the content on our channel has to do with this process of how you're going to make this work. A lot of people lay their floors and lay them right up to the edge of the stair and then reach out to us. So please, before you get any project started, reach out ahead of time, figure out what you're doing with those nosings. You can reach us at stepupvinyl.ca, and we would be happy to help you out. And then you'll be able to make sure that you have it all lined up and ready to go. Yes, we are adhering this one down. We're adding the tape just for the first 24 hours, just to remind people not to step on it. And then once it is down, it is solid and it is in place here. So we have our vinyl plank flooring installed, and that nose is looking amazing on that top step. At Step Up, we would be able to continue the vinyl all the way down the stairs. This customer just didn't want that. On to some finishing touches. We are adding some transition strips here in the places where the customer has chosen to keep the tile in place. This tile is particularly thick. Whoever installed it put an additional subfloor underneath. So we're just making sure that everything is prepped and ready, and then we're getting the rail put down into place. Anytime you're getting transition strips, please make sure you get them with the rails. It just makes the installation so much easier. And it just looks so phenomenal when it's done. So we're going to get this notched down into place. And there we have it. So as a reminder, this is what we had before. It's a nice carpet, but this customer was ready for a refresh, and oh, did we get it for them. Look at this beautiful vinyl plank flooring. Look at how well it goes with that wood table that they have. We got the trim in place, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. You can see it ties in so well with the decor and the aesthetics of the place. If you love the transformation, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.